In this demonstration, we'll take a closer look at the charms bar. Let's log into our Windows 8 computer, and that'll take us to our start screen. And the first thing we want to take a look at is the different ways you can access the charms bar. The first method we'll use to access the charms bar is using a Windows keyboard shortcut. We'll press the Windows key plus the letter C, and that will bring up our charms bar. Another way to access it is by using the hot corners on the right hand side of the screen, using either the top corner or the bottom corner. Well, we'll bring up our charms bar. Within our charms bar, you'll see you've got 5 different charms. You've got the search, share, start, devices, and settings. Let's take a look at the search charm. Look on the search. Let's say we're looking for the snipping tool. If we just type in the words snipping, you can see as it starts to match the title of the app, it will find it and display it in the left-hand side for selection. Now, we can return, if we bring up our charms bar again, return to our start screen by going to the start button, and that takes us back to our home screen. Another important charm that we'll be using quite a bit is our settings charm. Let's take a look at some of the options on that. Bring up the settings charm. You've got by default the settings for the start menu, which is where we're at. You can change some of the settings on your tiles, show the administrative tools, or clear your personal information. You can access Windows Help from the settings menu. You will also see your network connections, audio and brightness. You can modify notifications and have them stopped for a certain period of time. You've got keyboard options, and very importantly, you've got your power options. If you click on power, this is where you can find the shutdown and restart that used to be located on the start menu. And then you've got the change PC settings option, which we saw in our previous demo. That's going to bring up our PC settings page.